Hello, everyone. Today, we're uncovering some hidden features of the Chase Freedom Unlimited card that many people don't know about. First, there's purchase protection. If an eligible item you buy is damaged or stolen within a certain time, you could get reimbursed. Just pay with your Freedom Unlimited card. Next, enjoy extended warranty coverage. Your card can add extra months to the manufacturer's warranty on many purchases, giving you extra peace of mind. Another hidden perk is cell phone protection. Pay your monthly phone bill with the card, and you may be covered if your phone is lost, stolen, or damaged. You also get access to doorstep concierge services for travel, dining, and entertainment. Perfect for making your life easier. Finally, don't forget the ultimate rewards points flexibility. Combine your points with other Chase cards like the Sapphire Preferred to redeem for travel at a higher value. So, the Chase Freedom Unlimited isn't just a cashback card, it's packed with hidden features that can save you money and enhance your lifestyle. If this helped, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more credit card tips and tricks. Hello, everyone.